I think we had an absolutely incredible opening ceremony of the 11th Young Chef Olympiad organized by IIHM and International Hospitality Council London in the beautiful city of Goa in the Kala Academy. Very iconic location also, the banks of the Arabian Sea, where 50 countries participated over 14 international judges and contestants and mentors and many eminent dignitaries from the city of Goa. So I think it's a very, very interesting opening ceremony which was preceded by an seminar on the application of the artificial intelligence AI in hospitality and tourism industry. So we are personally extremely happy and delighted to see this opening ceremony been so successful. I think always excited even when we started about 11 years back in Calcutta with only 15 countries. Last year in the 10th Olympiad we had 60 countries. This year we have got 50 countries, and all new countries makes us even more excited as the teams travel from Goa to Delhi, Pune, Hyderabad and Bangalore and off to Calcutta. We are looking at very exciting next 7 or 8 days. Very excited. Let the best team win. Let the best young chef Olympian win this YCO 2025. Supremely excited.